Hi, welcome to today's daily mathematics problem. Today we're finding the values of these expressions if your x value is equal to 4. So we have x plus 5, 3x plus 1, and x raised to the x power. Starting with x plus 5, we substitute 4 in for x, and we get 4 plus 5, which is 9. For 3x plus 1, again, substituting 4 in for x. And remember, when you have 3 or a coefficient in front of a variable, it's implying that you are doing a multiplication. So this is 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 1 gives you 13. X raised to the x power, substitute 4 in for both values of x. It's 4 to the 4th. That is an exponent, so you're taking 4 times itself 4 times, and the result is 256. Thank you for checking out Daily Mathematics. If you enjoyed this video, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or at the website dailymathematics.com and join our mailing list for more videos.